Hello, it's a new week for what we ate for dinner this week. I'm still trying to work on a title for that, but anyway, here's this week. They are having, let me rephrase, tacos. Without refried beans, because Mom forgot yet again. So we've got the beef, chicken, and we've got all the toppings over here and kind of over there. And I am having a taco salad. I have both chicken and beef. What do I got in here? I got green onions, lettuce, black olives, green peppers. And then I'm going to put some cheese on it. And then put some French dressing on, I think. And call it dinner. So I'm going to go eat. Tonight for supper is pork chops, plain rice, asparagus, and carrots. I'm having the same thing, just minus the asparagus. There we go. Sunday night dinner. Katie wants her dinner, so I'm gonna get this now. This is what she's having. It's a frozen meal. I have the box here beside me, so I'll show you. But there it is, what it looks like. She put the cheese on it. The cheese was not part of it. Okay, now you can go. She is having one of these. They are very good, but I don't think these are everywhere. I know they're here in the lower part of Ontario. I don't know where else. They're very simple ingredients too. Where is it made in? Mississauga is where it's from, but very nice simple ingredients. But yeah, that's what she's having. It is butternut squash ravioli. It's really good. I miss the fact that I can't eat this. Is what it is, right? Okay, so this is my supper. We're having cottage pie for supper tonight. So there's mashed potatoes, peas, and the beef, and some gravy underneath for mine. The boys is over here. It made a heck of a mess. They're having the mashed potatoes, the jalapeno corn, and the same meat mixture with the beef and the gravy. So that is our supper tonight. Okay, and today is Tuesday, and here's our dinner. We got some kale, maple beans, barbecued chicken, and baked potatoes. Everything other than the beans was cooked out on the barbecue. And sorry, I got sidetracked. I just seen a car. So, Katie's plate. Don't know whose plate. Don't know whose plate. This one's mine. I've got my vegan cheese and butter in there. Sorry, margarine in there. Kale, and then my chicken. It looks a lot bigger on the camera than it actually is. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that big. But yes, there is our dinner tonight. Normally, I have baked beans in my potato with a little bit of cheese drizzled on top. I probably put some green onions on there. But that's a really good potato jack. Just so anybody wants to know, really good. Okay, now I'm gonna go eat. Okay, and for supper tonight, the kids are having pizza. I'm having a salad. If I remember, I will show my salad, but here's Katie's pizza. She made sure to say, Mom, make sure to get mine. So it's a Daiya pizza with Daiya Caesar dressing, and she's
fit.
Oh, but anyway. And yes, she's eating off a cutting board. I didn't realize that she always does this, but apparently she does. Well, hey, saves on dishes, right? Yeah. And here's my supper for tonight. We've got, what do I got in here? Tuna, black olives, cucumber, green onions, and lots of lettuce. And then I'm going to be using my French dressing. And I have half a can of tuna left. I'm probably going to make a sandwich. It's more like 2 sandwiches, but I'll probably make a sandwich too. But yeah, there's my dinner tonight. Nothing exciting, but healthy. Right? Yeah. Tonight for supper we are having steamed broccoli, a chicken that I cooked up in the slow cooker, and some rice. Dinner tonight, nice and easy. Not too much work behind it. Okay, so for supper tonight we are having French fries, roasted carrots that have salt, pepper, and a little bit of dill on them. Broiled cabbage. I meant to film that. I'm sorry, I forgot. And pork chops. So that's, this one here is my plate. Husband's plate. Children's plates. Yep. Off to go have dinner. And there we go. there is the end of our videos for our videos. Blah, 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 blah. So there's the end of our meals for last week. I'm just finally getting around to editing this and putting it together. I don't know if I'm gonna do one this week. We'll see. It just depends on how I feel, because the day you guys are seeing this is the day I'm quitting smoking. So it will just depend on how I feel as to if I'm going to do it or not. You will be getting lots of videos though, that's for sure, because I got a lot of stuff to do. I have so much stuff planned. So don't worry, you guys are still gonna be seeing lots of videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.